Welcome back. In this video, we'll pick up right where we left off in the previous video, where we explored the free version of the plugin. This time, we'll dive into the pro version of Atlas Maps. You'll see how to upgrade, unlock powerful new features, and take your map to the next level with more customization, interactivity, and design flexibility. To upgrade to Atlas Maps Pro, you can visit the product website, where you can purchase a lifetime license for a single domain. This license includes 1 year of priority support and updates, and it also allows you to transfer the license to a different domain later if you decide to make a change. After completing your purchase, you'll receive an email from the payment processor PayPro Global, containing the license key, download link for the plugin, and the invoice. Once you've downloaded the plugin, install it. If you already have the free version of Atlas Maps installed, deactivate it before activating Atlas Maps Pro. Don't worry, all the maps you've already created will be preserved and automatically available in the Pro version. You can now activate your license under Settings, Atlas Maps. Let's take a look at what additional features the Pro version unlocks. Under Map Settings, you'll now have access to maps for 198 countries. For the United States, you can also drill down to individual state maps, each detailed to the county level. Additional features include the ability to include or exclude more territories, and to display state labels. Next, in the Theme section, you'll notice a greater number of built-in themes to choose from, as well as a theme builder. We'll explore what you can do with the theme builder in just a moment. Moving on to features, you'll find the familiar Tooltips section, but now with added functionality. You can include rich text, images, even links inside Tooltips, giving you more flexibility in how information is displayed. However, as you can see, Tooltips disappear once the mouse moves outside a region, which means you can't click the link inside. That's where interactive tooltips come in, allowing users to hover over them, select text, or follow links. There's also an option to center the tooltip within the selected region, rather than positioning it above or below by default. Now let's look at Click Actions. A new option has been added that lets you open links in a separate browser tab. Two more powerful features have also been unlocked: region colors and hover effects. Hover effects is straightforward. When enabled, the region under the cursor highlights dynamically as users move the mouse over the map. When you enable region colors under Map Settings, then select any region, you can now apply custom color overrides for it. This allows you to adjust the background color, text color, hover color, and hover text color for that region individually. If you need more control over the look and feel of your map, such as customizing tooltip colors, borders, and shadows, you can create a custom theme using the Theme Builder. Let's create one now. In Map Settings, add a new theme, give it a name, and start building it. Let's use this dark steel blue color for the background, and use white as a contrasting text color. I'll use a lighter version of the background as the region border color. For hover, I'm picking this matching red, and I'll keep the text white for contrast. You can see the tooltip is using the hover background and foreground colors by default. I'll change the tooltip background to a darker version of the region color, and I'm not going to set a text color, which will keep it white just like the hover text color. That completes the region section of the theme. Next, let's move on to the map properties and select a shadow. I'll use the same red I use for the hover effects, and I'll make it larger for better depth. I'd also like to have it a bit separated from the map, so I'll use white as the outline color, which will draw a white outline around the map. Finally, let's customize pins. With Atlas Maps Pro, pins are fully configurable. You can replace the default circle with an icon and fine-tune every visual property. I'll set the pin's outer color to the same red we've been using, and also add an outer border of 2 pixels, with a dark color from the same set of colors we've been using as the region background. I'll keep white as the inner color and add a thinner border of only 1 pixel of the same color as the outer border. Once everything looks right, I'll update the map, which also saves the theme. It now appears in the custom section of the theme selector, ready to be applied to any map. And that's it for this video. You now know how to make the most of Atlas Maps Pro.